Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. So for our today's very exciting shopping episode, we are going to 3 different stores for today. So firstly, we are going to my favorite brand, Prada. Then we are going to Adora. So again, Adora houses different luxury brands such as Valentino, Chloe, Valextra, and a whole lot more. Plus, we are going to one contemporary luxury brand, Furla. I've seen some of their bags via Instagram, and I think they are doing great, coming up and producing different, beautiful bags, and I want to see it for myself, and I want to share everything to you guys. So hope you can stay until the end of this episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I vlog about the latest news about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam by clicking this cute little icon here so you can easily subscribe, and I'll be happy to welcome you. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/Amira5 so you could get daily updates and styling tips coming from me.
Cute. Yan sa color. No? With top handle. Camera bag with top handle. Super nice. Crossbar. $141. That is your price. For less. Nice. Sale price $91. Architectural. It's like a piece of art. 49. Alexander Wang? Or Alexander Wang? Nice. Brass handle. Wow. 172.
That's 3 colors for that. Probably 4. That one
The
is the
snake skin,
snake
no?
skin.
For the snake skin, how much no? Exotic.
200 siya.
200.
Yes, the para sa
Exotic.
Python.
I love the red.
Kasi for now, baka sabihin nila, hinuli mo lang, no? Binalatan mo pa na lang ka.
Yes. Snake skin guys, 262. Super nice.
Yan yung pinaka-latest na collection.
Yeah. For this one color only, no?
Yes, one color lang. For the other style, we have nude, we have black for those. And red.
Yeah. Hi guys, so we are done with Adora. So hopefully you enjoyed a little bit of bags that I've shown you. So we have Valentino, Valextra. Surprisingly, the Valextra guys, I'm a little bit familiar with the brand, but I never expected it to be very, very expensive. But they have super good quality made bags. So surprising and super nice, especially the Kelly one. So the Valentino bags and the Chloe bags. Hopefully you enjoy that. See ya! 21,500 for this one, I could see 3 designs pa lang, no? Blue, this, and then the denim.
Before sir, may black.
Ah, super nice, no? And super lightweight. Very sturdy. With feet. And then crossbody. 18,500. That's how much? 13. Super cute bags. Yeah, I like them. 13? How cute. OMG. Actually, I like the white. Gusto ko ng white. Yeah, oo nga. Ayun na, like for example, naka-all black ako. Like, when I wear it all black. Super nice. Tapos, 21,500. What? Your number birthday gift? Try it with the shoulder strap. Kasi yun ang maganda. You can do it shoulder strap, a shoulder bag, crossbody, front handle. And then you can remove parang sand dune or gray or dog gray. 27,500. Giant print of frock. Cowhide leather. there. So hopefully you enjoyed our shopping episode for today. So at Prada, so I was able to film a little bit. Unfortunately, at the middle, they said I couldn't do video, but they allowed me to take some photos. But hopefully I was able to show you new bags from Prada. And also at Adora, so I've shown you some very beautiful Valentino bags. The SAs are very, very friendly. They even showed me, you know, a exotic Valentino bag which I super like. So thank you again from people of Adora. Then of course, finally we went to Adora. With Adora, I was pleasantly surprised how beautiful their bags are. So as you have seen, guys, I think one of my favorite is the one that looks very similar to a Dior book tote without, you know, breaking back. Which, guys, if for me, I would definitely recommend, you know, the Furla, I'm not sure what's the name, the Furla book tote, because you know, it looks so beautiful. Then of course, you're not breaking your back just to purchase this bag, and definitely you would be able to use it so much more. So guys, among the selections that I've shown you, I would love to hear your thoughts and feedback about it. So hope you can comment down below. Again, guys, before we end our episode for today, let's do comment of the day, and I would like to say thank you to Lifestyle is My Passion. Thank you so much for leaving this wonderful comment and always watching our shopping episode. I super appreciate this one. Thank you so much. Again, guys, I'm inviting you to join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so kindly click on this one so you can easily subscribe. I publish vlogs every Saturdays and Wednesdays. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/Amirafai so you can get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank yous for staying with me, guys. So again, I will be leaving a couple of videos here if you haven't seen them. I would see you soon. Please do stay safe. Bye!